We all of us discuss new lesson in paper number 2nd, that is heredity and evolution. In this lesson we all of us discuss heredity and hereditary changes, transcription, translation and translocation, evolution, evidences of evolution, Darwin theory of natural selection, Lamarckism, speciation and human evolution. First of all, we discuss heredity and hereditary changes. Heredity means transfer of biological characters from one generation to another via genes. Mendel was the first scientist who find out different research about heredity in 1886. In 1901, the reason behind sudden changes were understood by theory of Hugo. In 1902, Walter and Sutton observed pair chromosomes in the cell of grasshopper. Genes are carried via chromosomes. With the help of this different research started in the direction of finding the nature of genetic material. In 1944, trio scientists Ostwald, MacLean and Kaolin proved that except viruses, all living organisms have DNA as genetic material. In 1961, Jacob and Jack proposed a model for protein synthesis with the help of DNA in bacterial cells. It helped to uncover the genetic codes hidden in DNA. The science of heredity is useful for diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of hereditary disorder, production of hybrid varieties of animals and plants, and in industrial processes. Now we discuss transcription, translation and translocation. Genes present in DNA participate in functioning of cell and control the structure and function of the body with the help of RNA. Information about protein synthesis is stored in DNA and synthesis of protein necessary for body. These proteins are synthesized by DNA through RNA. This is called central dogma. mRNA is produced as per sequence of nucleotide on DNA. The sequence of nucleotides in mRNA being produced is always complementary to the DNA strand used for synthesis. Besides, there is uracil in RNA instead of thymine of DNA. This process of RNA synthesis is called as transcription. The mRNA formed in nucleus comes in cytoplasm. It takes in the coded message from DNA. The message contains the codes for amino acid. The code for each amino acid consists of 3 nucleotides. It is called as triplet codon. Each mRNA is made up of thousands of triplet codon. As per the message on mRNA, amino acids are supplied by the tRNA. For this purpose, tRNA has anticodon having complementary sequence to the codon on the mRNA. This is called as translation. The amino acid brought in the tRNA are bonded together by peptide bonds with the help of rRNA. During this process, the ribosomes keep on moving from one end of mRNA to other end by the distance of one triplet codon. This is called as translocation. Such many chains come together to form complex protein. These proteins control various functions in the body. Living organisms can produce new individuals like themselves due to genes only, and some of those genes are transmitted to the next generation without any changes. Due to this, some of the characters of parents are transmitted to their offspring. However, sometimes sudden changes occur in those genes. Sometimes any nucleotides of the genes changes its position. That causes a minor changes, which is nothing but the mutation. Now we discuss evolution. Evolution is the gradual change occurring in living organism over a long duration. This is very slow process through which development of organism happens. Formation of new species due to changes in specific characters of several generations of living organisms as a response to the natural selection is called as evolution. 3.5 billion years ago, life had been non existent on the earth. At the beginning, there may have been only simple elements in the ocean on the earth, and simple type of organic and inorganic compounds, proteins and nucleic acids have formed. From those simple compounds, first type of the cell have been formed from these organic and inorganic compound. Then number of those cells goes on increasing. Some may have shows good growth and some may have perished, which could not be adjusted with surrounding.